We are back this week with an update on where we're at on the 57 Bel Air. Also, thank you for the comments and thank you for all the views. Sorry to those that don't like music. We're a music-loving family and we put music in our videos. And so there's a saying about opinions. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. And yeah, we're going to see where it's at and how far along he's come. Every now and then you might catch some tips, but this is not a how-to. This is just a stage in development. So if you're looking for lessons on how to take this apart or put it back together, this is not the video. This is merely showing you all the different stages that a car goes through before it can get put back together. Like, follow, and subscribe for more.
You might want to edit this yet because it's not ready. Let me try it anyway. Not ready yet.
Still needs more.
Yeah, needs more time. I normally leave them for 4 days. 2 days. Come out real clean. It needs more time.
So we are back at the garage, and let me see here. We have the floor panel, right? Forgive me if I'm the daughter. Forgive me if I don't know all the proper car part names. But okay, so the floor panel is in. We've got parts in this time. This, as I understand, as my dad said, will actually, once the car is put together and everything, then this will go to the shop and get sandblasted and then finished with a coating on the frame, hard coating. And then, so we have a quarter panel, the hood or trunk. Trunk.
And we're going to clean the whole car.
It's up on, stacked up. You're cleaning which part?
The whole floor and clean all the excess, all the rust up.
So cleaning all the rust, all the flooring.
To replace it. Still a lot of work to clean.
Lots of cleaning. Around.
Tomorrow I'll have the rest of it done. Cut off.
Of the floor?
Yep, rest of the floor cut off. Front floor. And these are the parts that I broken.
No front end.
These are the parts that I soaked in white vinegar for a week. Once you soak them for a week, they clean up bumper brackets, hood hinges. They clean up good.
White vinegar, soaked for 4 days or a week. Huh? Those are they look nice.
Look real nice, look. So all I gotta do is etch them and prime them and paint them.
Wait, I gotta go back. Last time, this was not missing. So is that it there?
The hood.
There's the hood.
The mechanics come and take all that apart. So they'll have all that apart this weekend, and I could go work even more. Yeah, that's where we're at right now.
A lot of work.
A lot of work. A lot of work to come.
And we're still going to be following it as it goes. That's crazy. That's cool. All the nice panels. And that's the other quarter panel. Pretty cool. Okay.
Get a piece of that'll clean up.
That's been in there.
Tie wire to it. Normally I tie wire to it. These are completely rusty. Let's take a, should have showed them to you before I did it. Completely rusty. But this is too soon. Well, let's see what happens. That's only after 8 hours. So after 4 days, it all pretty much all comes off.
Pretty nice.
Huh? Yep.
The easy way.
The easy way, yeah. After 4 days, just get a wire brush and clean them all up real good. But it takes 4 days to get all this stuff off. And they look real nice, like those hinges and stuff like that.
So we will check back.
Patience, that's the way to do it.
The whole thing takes patience. Not just not just that, the whole thing, the whole process takes patience.
Yeah, it's a lot of patience.
Oh yeah, I'll have to edit and clip some parts. Here's the other parts that all got to get cleaned up and finished. Pretty cool.
A lot of chrome pieces have been sent out to get chrome already and polished.
Re-chromed.
Those are all, we got to replace all of those.
And then what are time frame for the next?
Those are what?
Like next.
Next step?
Uh-huh.
I'm going to say probably by Sunday I'll start trying to put some stuff on. Hopefully, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, I worked on it real hard today, tomorrow, Saturday. Today's what, Friday? Yeah.
No, Thursday.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah. Hopefully I have it all cleaned up and ready to start working on it some more. The mechanic show up, if the mechanic show up Saturday.
So by Sunday I can come film again?
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty cool. All right, folks, so now you know where we're at and some of the process of getting stuff cleaned up. And we'll catch you back on Sunday, right?
Hopefully.
Hopefully.